Hi, I'm Don from Don Drones On. A quick public service announcement regarding drones and forest fires. Today, Transport Canada issued a safety alert directed at drone pilots via their Civil Aviation Safety Alert newsletter system. Frankly, I doubt that many drone people actually subscribe to this newsletter, since it is usually an endless series of alerts about loose nuts on Cessnas and stuff like that. But regardless, I'm sharing it here. Long story short, unless you are explicitly authorized to participate in firefighting, keep your drone at least 9.3 kilometers, 5 nautical miles, away from any forest fire. Otherwise, you can be fined or thrown in jail. And this applies to drones of any size, including sub 250 gram drones like the DJI Mavic Mini or Mini 2. Just stay away. Why? Because there are likely to be helicopters and water bombers flying low and fast every which way, and a drone could easily interfere with such a flight. And if they see a drone, they ground the water bombers, needlessly delaying the whole operation and endangering lives and people's property. So what should you do? Number one, if you see smoke or flames, don't fly your drone. Simple. 2, check for NOTAMs, indicating no-fly zones for drones or other aircraft. NOTAM zones are visible on Drone Pilot Canada. Now, by the way, the safety alert did not even mention NOTAMs. I don't really understand why. Maybe they don't think people look at them. I'm really not sure. Anyways, you know they're there, so check before you fly. And finally, in case that isn't enough, there is an interactive map that shows active forest fires. Check that too before you fly. I'll put the website in the description below this video. Bottom line, stay away from forest fires with your drone. Don't put firefighters' lives at risk or cause needless delays in their brave efforts. Thank you for watching.